Hello, this is Christy. Today we turn to lesson 35, Exhibition Dialogue. 你们这个布娃娃多少钱一个 ？How much is this doll of yours? 你们 yours 这个 this 布娃娃 doll 多少钱一个 ？How much? 你们这个布娃娃多少钱一个 ？How much is this doll of yours? 最少6000个起订，$2一个。MLQ 6,000 pieces, $2 each. 最少 MLQ 6000个 6,000 pieces, $2 $2一个 each. 最少6000个起订，$2一个。MLQ 6,000 pieces, $2 each. 起订量大一点有折扣吗 ？If the MLQ is larger, is there a discount? 起订量 MLQ 大一点 larger 有 is there 折扣 a discount 起订量大一点有折扣吗 ？If the MLQ is larger, is there a discount? Learn slow business Chinese with Christy. See you next time.